Good morning. Good morning. Do you have milk? Yes, I have milk. How much is the milk? It is 120 rupees per liter. Give me 1 liter, please. Here you are. Do you sell bread? Yes, I sell bread. Is this bread fresh? Yes, it is fresh. How much is one bread? It is 80 rupees. Give me 2 breads. Okay, here are 2 breads. Do you have eggs? Yes, I have eggs. How many eggs are there? There are 12 eggs. How much are the eggs? They are 300 rupees per dozen. Give me half a dozen eggs. Sure. Do you sell sugar? Yes, I sell sugar. How much is 1 kilo sugar? It is 150 rupees. Give me 1 kilo sugar. Okay. Do you have tea? Yes, I have tea. Is this local tea? Yes, it is local tea. How much is this tea? It is 500 rupees per packet. Give me a small packet. Here it is. Do you sell biscuits? Yes, many types.
Which biscuit is cheap? This one is cheap. Give me that biscuit. Okay. Do you have cooking oil? Yes, I have oil. How much is 1 liter oil? It is 600 rupees. Give me half liter. Sure. Do you sell rice? Yes, I sell rice. Is this village rice? Yes, it is village rice. How much is 1 kilo rice? It is 180 rupees. Give me 2 kilos. Okay. Do you have pulses? Yes, I have pulses. Which pulse is good today? Lentils are good today. How much are lentils? They are 250 rupees per kilo. Give me 1 kilo. Here you go. Do you sell soap? Yes, I sell soap. How much is this soap? It is 50 rupees. Give me 2 soaps. Sure. Do you have shampoo? Yes, I have shampoo. Is it small or big? It is small. Give me the small one. Okay. Do you sell matchsticks? Yes, I do.
How much is one box?
It is 20 rupees.
Give me one box.
Here it is.
Do you have cold drinks?
Yes, I have cold drinks.
Are they cold?
Yes, they are cold.
Give me one bottle.
Which flavor?
Orange flavor, please.
Okay.
Do you sell snacks?
Yes, I sell snacks.
Which snack is fresh?
This one is fresh.
Give me that snack.
Sure.
Do you have fresh vegetables?
Yes, fresh vegetables arrived today.
How much are the potatoes?
They are 60 rupees per kilo.
Give me 3 kilos.
Okay.
Do you sell onions?
Yes, I sell onions.
Are they fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Give me 2 kilos.
Sure.
Do you have tomatoes?
Yes, I have tomatoes.
How much are they?
They are 100 rupees per kilo.
Give me 1 kilo.
Okay.
Do you give discount?
A little discount.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is the total bill?
The total is 1,500 rupees.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, you can.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Give me the receipt.
Here is your receipt.
Do you open every day?
Yes, every day.
What time do you open?
I open at 7 a.m.
What time do you close?
I close at 9 p.m.
Is this your shop?
Yes, it is my shop.
How long have you been here?
For 10 years.
Business is good?
Yes, business is good.
Do villagers come daily? Yes, they come daily. Do you know everyone? Yes, I know everyone. Is this a small shop? Yes, but useful. Do you sell everything? Almost everything. Can I come tomorrow? Yes, anytime. Do you give credit? Only to villagers. Is it busy today? A little busy. Are prices high today? Yes, prices are high. Will prices go down? I hope so. Thank you for help. My pleasure. Have a good day. You too. See you again. See you. Take care. Thank you. The shop is nice. Thank you very much. Everything is clean. I try my best. You are kind.
Thank you. You are honest. I appreciate that. I like this shop. I am glad. I will tell others. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Can I buy on credit? Yes, for a short time. I will pay later. No problem. Do you trust me? Yes, I trust you. This shop helps villagers. Yes, it does. You work very hard. Thank you. Business is important. Yes, very important. Village life is simple. Yes, very simple. People are friendly here. Yes, they are. I enjoy shopping here. I'm happy to hear that. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.